YouTube family, we back, man. What's going on with y'all? It's your boy Jay. Once again, I'm coming back at y'all today with a it's a single unboxing, but I got two shoes, man. I got two shoes for a crazy price. Sit tight, make sure you watch this full video because I'm gonna tell y'all how y'all can get shoes just like the ones I have for the low. No cap, 100% legit. So stay tuned. Make sure that you, like I said, watch because you do not want to miss this, I guess, intel. You know what I'm saying? Like giving y'all the drop on some very good price kicks, man. So with that out the way, if this is your first time stopping through, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the fam, so I can put you on game when it comes to early sneakers, cheap sneakers, restocks, on feeds, lace swap, hey, vlogs, whatever it is, man. It's the one-stop shop over here, man. So please hit that subscribe button for your boy Jay. And I know a lot of y'all have just been watching and not subscribed to the channel because YouTube analytics has been telling me that 72%, I think it was, of y'all watched the video, but y'all are not subscribed, man. So hey, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and yeah, man, it helps the channel grow, of course. And yeah, do that, man. You won't regret it. But anyways, besides all that, big shout out to the OGs as always. But diving into today's video, it is sponsored by my fam over at Champions Kicks. So Champions Kicks is the plug. They are the ones who sent your boy over this package. Crazy price. I'm about to go over a couple things that they will have over on, you know, their platform. But first things first, Champions Kicks is a subscription based platform where you pay $10 a month, and I'm telling you, look, don't let that $10 steal you away, because with that $10 it gives you access to all types of crazy deals. You will definitely, if you plan on buying any shoes within the next month or so, just try it out. You will, trust me, guaranteed get that $10 back plus some. You know what I'm saying? Depending on what you want to do, whether you want to resell the shoes that you buy, whether you want to wear the shoes. But crazy prices on his shoes, and like I said, y'all, they're 100% legit. I rocked out with him before. I see where he gets his products and stuff, and he is official, man. So with that out the way, let's see what he sent your boy Jay. Yes, sir. Bang, man. So right here, you see I got the box, which is, you know, a good size. But bro, I got a shoe in here, right? I recently sold this shoe in my shoe sale. Y'all gonna be like, why you got that shoe back? Cause I couldn't resist on the price, man. I couldn't resist it, and I ain't gonna hold you. After I sold my pair, I kind of had seller's remorse. You know what I'm saying? I was like, why did I sell those? You know, I was talking down bad about that shoe, saying this and that, but it's a clean shoe, bro. So you know, I got it back, and I got it back for a very good price, man. So popping open the box, you see right here, you do have a Jordan box right there on the top. So I got two pairs of shoes in here. The first one that's on top, and he got it, look at how he got it all nicely. Okay, it comes out like that. Say less, my boy. But perfectly wrapped up. You know, he got it in there so it does not mess up any of the packages going through shipping. So here we go right here. Thumbnail. Got both of them. I don't even know if this is gonna be the thumbnail, but it would be a good thumbnail, right? Got both of them right here, man. So two shoes, got them for the low. I'm about to put y'all on, man. So let's get into it. Let me put this back here for now. What shoe y'all think that is, bro? Bro, that's one of them. That's just one of them. That's one of them shoes. But anyways, this box right here, as you can see, Jordan 7, 11, 10. I think those are the only three shoes that come in this box, but I ain't even gonna read the size tag. I'm gonna just pull off this lid like this, cover that up. Man, y'all already gonna know what it is, man. Y'all ready to see what your boy done got back in the collection that I just sold? Bang! The Air Jordan 11 cherries, man. So I got the cherry 11s back. So, however, I got a size 9. So I'm back to square one with a size 9, y'all. I think I might need a 9.5 because these do fit snug. They run smaller than your regular Air Jordan 11s, in my opinion. But bang, here they go right here, man. So got this shoe right here for under retail, man. You know what I'm saying? So he gives away steals and deals like that because, and I know you're like, how is he selling them below retail? Because he gives back. So with the money that he gets from the subscriptions, you know, depending on how the month goes, he's able to give out steals for under retail of shoes. So I think he does it every time he has his releases. There is at least a couple shoes that's under retail, but 100% legit, A1. The Cherry 11, so I got them back, like I said, because I couldn't refuse on the price. I was like, let me just get them, man. So got the Cherry 11s back. However, it is a size 9. I don't know, maybe I'll try to work it out. Maybe I swap it and get me a 9.5. But you see what I got on, man. This is why I had to get them back, bro. I need it for a fit like this, you know what I'm saying? Whenever I want to rock my Jordan jersey, summertime, it's hot outside, throw these on, clean fit, man. But shout out to Champions Kicks. You can get kicks just like this if you go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below in the description. So check it out after the video is over. And whew, we got another shoe. It ain't over yet, man. So let's see what else he done sent your boy, man. Bang, you see what it is, man. We got an Air Jordan 4 box right here, man. So not gonna read the size tag because I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, sport. Well, we gonna read the size tag, man. It's a size 9 Air Jordan 4 Retro. Color blocking is black, fire red, cement gray. If you know, you know. So this shoe is a shoe that your boy already owns, but couldn't pass up on the double up. And when I seen the condition, this is actually pre-owned. This is used, but talk to me. Bang! Very near dead stock, man. So your boy has another pair. I only think I wore my personal pair one time, and now I'm gonna be able to put these on feet like at a rapid, frequent rate because I got 2 pairs now. So this is what you're gonna find, things such as this on Champions Kicks. Bang! The Air Jordan 4 Breads, man. This is from 2019. I want to say 2019, but bruh, these right here, look at the condition, man. So all right, after you look at this video, right, just look at the condition of this Air Jordan 4 black cement. Go to GOAT, look at their used shoe section. Tell me if you see any of them that is in the condition of this one. And those are going for like $350 plus, I want to say. Like, they got some crazy prices for their used shoes, and I paid less than that for these. Way less than that, man. So the leather all intact. There's not no frayed up leather or none of that stuff that, you know, this type of leather gets over time. Take a look at the toe box area. Like, very near dead stock. Of course, the outsole got a little bit of wear on the bottom, but the uppers flawless, bro. So did pick up this shoe as well as those cherries, bro. Definitely very happy with the 2 pickups I got from Champions Kicks, man. So definitely check out Champions Kicks. You can get some old school classic heat like these, man. He always have different things up over there. I know y'all saying, does he have my size? Does he have this size? Yes, he has your size, man. So this upcoming weekend, Super Bowl weekend, February 11th, Saturday, February 11th, y'all, he is having a drop. So in order to be a part of that drop, you do have to subscribe, and the subscription is $10. Like I said, that'll be the best $10 you ever spend. But what it is on February 11th, I want to say it's 7 o'clock p.m. He will be releasing a crazy lineup of shoes. I'm gonna put the list up right there, and I'm gonna look at it while y'all are seeing it too. Pardon me. Now that I see it, it's gonna be at 9 p.m. Eastern. So 9 p.m. Eastern. He has size 8 DS Air Jordan 3 cool grays, $150. I don't think y'all heard that, bro. DS cool gray Jordan 3s, $150. He got Air Jordan 3 UNCs, $250. Royalty taxi, the 12s, $75, 8.5. I'm not even gonna read through all these. I'm gonna just look. He has 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11, 12, and size 13, man. So he has sizes for everyone. Definitely check him out. Go over to his page. Like I said, everything is legit. Do not sleep on it. Your boy doubled up on a grail pair, bro. Like that's a grail status pair, man. That's actually my favorite pair of Air Jordan 4s of all time, man. So I was able to double up on that shoe for a great price. I'm gonna be able to put miles on that shoe and preserve my other pair. But Cherry 11s, they got away from me, but I got them back because, like I said, the deals that he give is just, I couldn't refuse, man. So make sure you check out Champions Kicks. And with all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all. We coming back at y'all tomorrow with an on feet Friday. We probably gonna have another on feet, man. So we gonna have on feets coming. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Get this video a like. Check out Champions Kicks, man. And other than that, y'all stay blessed. I'ma see y'all on the next vid. Your boy Jay gone.